Oh, dito na kami sa Korean barbecue. Guys, ang ganda dito. Wow, so refreshing. Nasa hotel. We're still at the hotel. So,
What are we doing?
we're going down for our breakfast. Hey guys! Good morning! Welcome back to Mama Kwatan's channel. For today's video, it's gonna be our second day of our family getaway as our celebration for Joshua's birthday. So right now, we're still at the hotel. It's still 7:30 in the morning. And then, we will go down to the lobby to have our breakfast, and then later today, and then we will spend the whole day or the day to some beautiful places in this place in Barrie, Ontario. And then, yeah, samahan nyo kami guys for our day 2 family getaway as our birthday celebration for Joshua. So, are you excited? Let's go! So we're heading now to look for a beautiful place here. Josh and Earl still sleeping. And we're near right here. Good morning! Okay. Let's go. Tara na. So guys, ito kami ngayon. We're just taking our morning walk. Tulog pa si Josh at si Earl. We have just done our breakfast, coffee. So ito, mag-walking muna. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Dito na kami sa beach, guys.
Agos, tikitan.
Wow, ang ganda dito. Ayan guys, dito na kami sa parking lot, sa beach. And then, yan, nakakuha na kami ng ticket for the parking. Ayan, ang ganda ng lugar. It's beautiful. Hey guys, we're now at the beach. So, ang ganda dito guys. Samahan nyo kami dito ngayon. Dito kami mamaya sa mag-picnic sa beach. Ayan. Ang ganda. Wow. It's so beautiful. So nag-morning walk kami ni Papa Q dito ngayon. Look at that fountain, very beautiful. Ayan, a closer look sa fountain. Oh, it's so beautiful. Ayan, pwede din na meron ding mga rentals for mga paddlers. Ayan. Guys, ang ganda dito. Wow, so refreshing. Ayan. Very beautiful. Ang ganda. And the fountain. Okay guys, we're back at the beach this time. So we have just check out at the hotel. So yeah.
Itong yok. Kaya ang background dito.
We will be having our lunch here. Yeah. May mga picnic tables. Ayan. This place is very beautiful. Beautiful. Ayan. Happy birthday, Joe! Happy birthday, Joe! Happy birthday, Joe! Medyo maulan ngayon guys, kaya at saka lumamig. So ayan. Dito na lang naglaro ng volleyball. Ayan, hindi na kami naligo. Lamig ngayon dito. Yak! Ay Josh, hindi nakapag-swimming kasi may bagyo, umuulan. Okay guys, dito na kami sa car, paalis na kasi mahangin sa beach at saka ang lamig. Kaya so, saan tayo, Josh? We're heading to, punta kami ng restaurant. So, as usual, ang favorite ng celebrant namin nating lahat, ang celebrant na si Josh, gusto niya talaga ang Korean restaurant. So, we're heading to a Korean restaurant. Okay, samahan nyo kami guys ha. Doon tayo mag-dinner. Okay. See you later! Dito na kami sa Korean restaurant na favorite ng aming celebrant. Ayan. Happy birthday, Jo!
May bagyo dito guys, may thunderstorm.
Korean
Oh, dito na kami sa Korean barbecue. Happy birthday, Josh! Ayan, namili pa kami ng ang orderin namin. Ayan. So, ayan. Anong
Go!
excited? Oh, this restaurant is called Korean barbecue.
Pila po ninyong circle.
Excited,
Ano
sarap.
to, Jo? Ano yan?
Excited, sarap. That's egg.
Okay. This one. Ito na tayo, guys.
Taste the appetizers. What is this?
This kimchi. It's kimchi.
What is that?
Anli tong sides, so banat. Thank you. Thank you. It's on.
Unsa man siya?
The fire is on. Bro, na pa boy.
Di ba nangutan na kung unsa na siya? Pork. Spicy pork.
Spicy pork.
Explain, Jo.
This is spicy pork. And then it has cheese on the side. So the cheese is gonna melt and the pork's gonna cook. And we're gonna mix it. This is egg. What do you feel?
Happy birthday.
Oh my goodness. I can't wait.
It's so good.
Yes.
Yeah, last cake.
Thank you. How is this raw? So how long you have to wait?
Oh, meat is already cooked.
Okay.
Yeah, just
So
the
just heat it
cheese,
up
just the
and the cheese,
cheese,
okay.
melted and picking. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank
Can we get more rice, please?
This is the pork bone soup. It is really good, guys. And this is, what is this, Jo? This is
Rice cake.
rice cake.
Palayo, di mo ang
The rice cake.
Ang saan na magluto ng cheese sa ako madali? Okay na. Luto na madang kwan, pork.
Pag-explain niya, ibigyo natin siya. Diba?
Sige na, unsa may mo ito.
We're gonna mix this. So it's already cooked. We're just melting the cheese and heating up. So we're just heating up the food and melting the cheese. It's already cooked. So.
So, this is cheese, Jo. All over, all around. Happy birthday, Jo. God bless you.
Ikaw na pa. Wala siya pang talawi pa.
So how's our celebrant?
It's so good.
Are you happy
I'm happy.
for the 2 days getaway, family getaway, birthday celebration? Very happy?
Tasting. Mama Kwatan tasting.
Huh? Okay guys, we're home. And then, so we're done with our 2 days getaway, family getaway for Joshua's birthday celebration. So Jos, ano masabi mo sa getaway natin for your birthday?
Family bonding. It was nice. We didn't get to swim because of the weather, but it's still fun. Thank you.
Yeah, happy birthday, Jo. God bless.
Thank you.
So that's all for now, guys, for our 2 days family getaway for Joshua's birthday. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Kwatan's channel. Bye for now. God bless you all. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
How old are you, Joe? How young are you?
blah.
Make a wish.
Blah, blah, blah.
Make a wish.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yay!